Hello, hello, this is Sharif or Just Nailed It, and this is my Docuseries, Learning Acrylics. I'm not completely comfortable with last week's application, so I want to continue it this week on a new nail. Just one nail this week I'm going to be working on, and that's going to be my focus. But before I get started, I want to state I'm not a nail tech. I'm just somebody who is a nail addict who is trying to learn acrylics, and I happen to be doing it here. There are those of you that follow me that are doing this with me, so we're going to get started. I've got my nail form on. Probably pinched it a little bit too much, but we're going to go with it. I have dehydrated the nail. I have put 2 coats of Yogi Nail System Natural Nail Primer. Whatever, I don't know, whatever. Got my monomer here, Me a Secret. And we are going to burp our brush. Take your brush in, release the bubbles. Whoop. Okay. Have your paper towels off to the side. Now let's open the acrylic. Use whatever brand acrylic you're using. This is what I have. And I'm using Me a Secret monomer. Dip your brush, wipe your opposite side off. Try to get a lot of the liquid off. You don't need a super wet bead. Hold your finger downwards. And wait for your bead to pretty much crystallize. Wipe your brush. I don't think my bead is big enough. Can't really see. It's one thing about what's clear. You can't see what I'm doing hardly. Get your next bead. That one's a little bit bigger. Make sure you're holding your finger downwards. Pat, pat, pat. Wipe your brush. Try to stay on the nail. Anytime you see my brush disappear, it is wipe, wipe, wipe. Well, these beads are coming off too big now. I need this size down here. I'm not sure if I can get this to the cuticle properly. Just should have taken my form off long before now, which is what I'm going to do. No, maybe I should wait. Decisions. Wipe your brush. Check your apex. I'm going to let that sit for just a second and I will be right back. Hello, I'm back. And as you can see, the form is in my hand. The tip is on the form, which means it wasn't dry enough to take off. I'm like super disappointed. The nail looks better than the ones I've done before, but I'm still disappointed. I'm going to pause again so I can get another form, get it situated on the nail however you'd like it or I like it. Get a snack, take a potty break, and I'll be right back. Alright, we're back here. I've already got the nail on. I've dehydrated it. I have put 2 coats of the Yogi primer. I'm going to now struggle with my form. And you're going to see me struggle to get it on. And it is a struggle for me. I'm learning at all this and whoops. Try to keep the black line of the form with the middle of the nail. Pinch your first backing there. I don't want, well, I'd love to do a stiletto, but I have a hard time seeing the acrylic on the form to begin with. So I'm still struggling with my beads a little bit, to be honest. Let's use my arm. Turn my other light on. So we are going to go back in with our first bead, dip our brush, wipe off the excess. The opposite side you're going to use. Dip our brush into the polymer. Oops. Get your first bead, wait until it crystallizes. I'm going to wipe off the excess off my brush. My brush is too wet. Wipe off the excess, let that sit there for just a minute. Make sure you use the body of your brush, not the tip. Pat, 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 wipe, wipe, wipe. We're going to go on with our next bead and dab off the back side of my brush. Dab, dab, dab. Oh, my eyeballs. Ding. We're going to go on with our next bead. Make sure you wipe off your brush. Watch your sidewalls. There. I think this one we did good. We just have to wait for it to dry. And we'll be back. Hello? Excuse me, hello, I am back. The nail should be completely dry. We hear clicking. I'm going to pinch the form and peel her off. There we go. This is weak, I can tell by looking. Gotta get some filing done now. Let me check my time. Got a lot of filing to do over here. Just keep your nails straight, kinda. Remember, I'm not a nail tech. I'm learning here. I think I did pretty darn good. Oops. Keep your nail up in your hand. Oh God, could you even see what I'm doing? I just happened to look up and I don't think I was in frame. I was filing. I promise you I was. Which I need to do some more of. Let me hold the nail. The flexi hand, it's really hard. My apex is weak. Really weak. Really weak there on that side. I don't think I did that bad. I mean, I could have did worse. So there we go. I'm going to get my buffer. Actually, I'm just going to take this out real quick. I know this is wrong to do. Can't do that with the client. Get my brush. As you can see right here, it is weak. So it's something I have to work upon. I don't know if at this point if that's something you can fix or not. And I forgot to pinch it for a C curve. I mean, there's kind of one, but not a good enough one. But there's my nail for today, for this week. Here's my first one I never finished. Hello, baby. That's my son, Tech Savvy, coming in. He come to pay Mama a visit. First nail didn't do too bad either. just no length. At this time, you would put your top coat on, cure it for 60, or do a design. I'm not going to do either right now. I'm just going to push the nail back in is what I'm going to do. Not too bad, not too bad. I can get a smooth surface. I can do a short nail, obviously. No problem. Had no problems there. Kept it on the nail. No overflowage. No overflowage here. It's just this apex in here is weak. It is weak. Forgot to pinch the nail. But that is our video for this week. Something that I need to work on in the future. I thank you for being here, for your support, and for practicing with me. Those of you who do, greatly appreciate. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know how you're doing with yours. That's always something I would really like to know. Give me your input, where you're struggling at, what your strengths are. I think I'm just kind of medium across the board. Just kind of medium across the board. Next week, I don't know. I don't know where we'll go next week. We'll see. If you're not subscribed, please do so and click that bell. That way you're notified of all future videos. Don't forget, I upload on Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Last week I did have, I think, a video like every week or every day. I had a lot of reviews to do, and I wanted to share those with you. I got 2 more still in the hopper that I want to share with you from P&D Nails and My Moran. Not sure when those are going up. This will be up on today, Tuesday. Don't you love all the snow we got in southeastern Michigan? It's beautiful. It really is. But whatever. We'll call it a day here. Have yourselves a blessed day. And as always, thank you.